This is going to blow your mind. Ever wondered what eating peaches can do for you? Let's dive into the juicy world of peaches. First up, peaches are packed with vitamins A and C, boosting your immune system and keeping your skin glowing. They've got fiber too, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. But that's not all. Peaches are also rich in antioxidants, fighting off those pesky free radicals and helping prevent chronic diseases. And guess what? They're low in calories, making them a perfect sweet treat without the guilt. Feeling stressed? Peaches have magnesium to help calm your nerves. Plus, they're hydrating, keeping you refreshed on hot summer days. So next time you're at the market, grab a peach and give your body a delicious boost. Your taste buds and your health will thank you. Stay peachy, folks.